A North Indian summer special today. Moong dal vade served with a light, tangy tomato gravy. Let's get started. Heat oil in a pan for frying. Till then, let's prepare the dal vada batter. Add soaked moong dal in a mixer jar. Green chili roughly chopped. Grind it into a smooth paste. Do not add water initially. If needed, add a little water gradually. The batter should be soft and smooth, not too runny. Salt as per taste. Some carom seeds and mix. Whip the batter with your hands. This helps make it fluffy. Once the oil is hot, drop small portions of the batter into the oil. Fry them on a medium heat until they turn golden brown and crisp. Moving on, let's prepare the gravy. Take some tomatoes and grind into a smooth puree. Heat some oil in another pan. Add carom seeds or ajwain. Chop ginger and saute until lightly cooked. Now add the prepared tomato puree. Cook it well on a medium flame, stirring occasionally. Add salt as per taste, red chili powder. Cook until the tomatoes are well done. Add in some water and bring it to a boil. You can add a little sugar at this stage if you prefer a sweet and tangy taste. This step is optional. Turn off the flame. Now add a little milk to the gravy and stir immediately. Always add milk after switching off the flame to prevent curdling. To assemble the dish, place the fritters in a serving bowl. Pour the hot gravy over them. Soft, flavorful dal ke vade in a delicious tangy gravy are ready. Finally, garnish with freshly chopped coriander leaves. Enjoy this comforting dish. Do try and share your experience. Till then, eat well, live well, and stay blessed.